Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 1 Railway Cottage on Norfolk Street here in Whitstable. This is an intriguing property, beautifully tucked away off from the main thoroughfare here. This fantastic terraced house offers one double bedroom, an 18-foot open plan kitchen and living room, a modern family bathroom, and a very convenient paved courtyard rear garden. Close to amenities, being so easily walkable into the town here. Interestingly enough then, this property is offered with no forward chain, so a wonderful easy option for those looking to get into the heart of Whitstable. Coming through from the front, we've got that porch area, and we come through into an open planned kitchen and living space here, and the main focal points here, of course, the character that we've got on offer and those lovely tall ceilings, and of course the spiral staircase in the corner leading us upstairs to the bedroom. We've got a beautiful aspect of light coming through from that window at the front, and we'll head upstairs in just a few moments to take in the space that we've got up there. We'll then go through and take a look at the bedroom and the main shower room before concluding today's video tour and running one last time through the property's key points. So there we have it. We've had a really good look around number 1 Railway Cottages, Norfolk Street in Whitstable. This terraced home, it offers one double bedroom, an 18-foot open plan kitchen living room, modern family bathroom, and that paved courtyard rear garden. Location is everything with this one, with the seafront and the town being only a short walk away, and of course it's offered with no forward chain as well. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, you want to give us a call today to book your own free valuation.